Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. This year's iPhone 14 sales did not exceed the expected sales, but I believe that many people still buy it. Among the many iPhone 14 users, the most feedback so far is the problem that the iPhone 14 can't be turned on. But fear not, it's not necessarily a quality issue. My brother, don't rush to return it back. Try these methods first. Now, let's go over each one. Way 1. Charge iPhone. The first thing you need to do is to charge your iPhone 14. We can't be sure if it has enough power to power on. After half an hour of charging with the original charger, you can try to turn it on. Way 2. Force restart iPhone. Force restart may solve some small problem. You can give it a try. For iPhone 14, press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Just like this. About a few seconds later, you will land the home screen. Way 3. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. This time we need to use a tool called UltFone iOS System Repair. Connect your iPhone to your computer, then put it into recovery mode if your computer couldn't recognize your iPhone. Just press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the computer icon. Then click Start button. Here we select Standard Repair to fix this problem. This option will save your data. Well done, let's have a look. As you can see, we can turn on the iPhone 14 after repairing. Way 4. Contact Apple Merchant. If none of the above methods work, then I suspect you won the lottery. You may have bought a faulty iPhone 14. Now all you have to do is find your proof of purchase. Go to the store where you bought your iPhone and ask for replacement. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.